What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Tesla video. Today we got some big things, especially from one of the biggest banks in the world, Goldman Sachs, giving Tesla a pretty good rundown. I think Goldman Sachs right now is extremely bullish on clean energy, especially Tesla. Now, you've been seeing a lot of big banks out there. They don't really like Tesla that much. It's a pretty meme-worthy stock, but only recently are some banks and a lot of major analysts giving Tesla good price targets and also good news. And if you check out this image by David Taylor, you can clearly see Goldman Sachs wrote the sixth installment of the Future of Energy Demand series, and one of the stocks that they value for the EV transition is Tesla. Now, they like Tesla not only because they make electric vehicles, but Tesla also makes a lot of batteries. Now, in this consensus article, Goldman Sachs also says that oil demand should be going down in the next few years, and not just by a little bit, but drastically. Obviously, you will be seeing a lot of, jets, a lot of planes using fossil fuels, but there's also a lot of talks about how Tesla could be making an electric plane. I know that sounds a little bit farther off, but there was several instances, including a Joe Rogan podcast, where Elon Musk actually hinted that he really wants to be making an electric Tesla plane. Sounds crazy, but I mean, he's one of the few people who is doing really crazy things in the tech world. So that might actually happen in the coming years. But right now, we should be seeing a lot more demand for batteries. Tesla's battery system, their mega packs, have been deployed around the world for not only companies, but also countries. More recently, they actually launched a bunch of these mega packs to the Apple campus. It's a really incredible deal. They also installed mega packs in the Nigerian government buildings, Southern Australia to prevent blackouts, and also Dallas, Texas, around that region. A lot of blackouts, recently. It doesn't really look so good, and this is why a lot of people are inching towards these massive battery farms to store energy, just in case if a city or a whole entire state runs out of power, they can actually have these backup generators to make sure everything is okay. At this current moment, we've been seeing Goldman Sachs saying a lot about this. Goldman is extremely bullish on Tesla because they're not a fossil fuel company. If they just make electric vehicles, it's not really that fun. But Goldman is also very bullish on companies like LG Chem, which specifically makes batteries. So when Goldman Sachs is bullish on a specific company, this is something that you should definitely take note of. Because Tesla isn't just a car manufacturer and they make a bunch of batteries. They actually made it on the list for some of the best battery stocks on planet Earth. And the Berlin Gigafactory, when it's fully operational within just 2 to 3 years, we should be seeing the world's biggest battery production facility ever. And the Nevada facility is also making batteries, by the way, and it'll be the second biggest battery facility in the world. And Tesla is pretty serious about all this battery stuff, and this is why big analysts, including Canaccord Genuity, giving Tesla a whopping $1,071 price target. And Goldman Sachs isn't really giving Tesla a major price target, but Goldman is saying that Tesla is a massive buy. Goldman has a lot of different clients, and a lot of these clients want to be investing in clean energy. And what Goldman's doing is they're recommending Tesla, not only because they're an electric car company and they sell a bunch of electric cars, but they also make a bunch of batteries that really does make the future a lot more brighter. And last but not least, we gotta talk about, other than these batteries and electric vehicles, but the FSD beta. Tesla's next gen full self-driving is now delayed to around May and June. But here's the thing, subscriptions are coming out next month. If you guys are one of the people who never bought the $10,000 FSD beta software, but you just simply want to try it and get maybe like a little lick of it, well, guess what? You're in luck because we should be seeing the subscription program coming next month. And it's a pretty big subscription program that a lot of people are very interested in. This subscription program is going to be great. I'm not really sure the price is, but Musk has said that if you want to use the FSD for a long period of time, it's way more worth it to simply just spend the $10,000 and buy it. I'm guessing probably $150 to $200 per month. That doesn't really sound that unrealistic, especially how NIO over there in China, they have their own autonomous driving system called the NAD, and that software costs $105 USD per month. And since Tesla's FSD and their autopilot is far more superior than anything on the market, they actually could charge way more. I mean, $150, I'm guessing most likely $200 per month, which is pretty pricey, but some people just simply want to try the FSD for a month and see how they like it. And I think it's a genius idea. A lot of people never actually has been in a city autopilot vehicle before. I feel like some individuals who buy the FSD and really enjoy it might actually recommend it to other people. But some people might be really reluctant, saying, hey, it's not really that worth it. It's $10,000 too expensive. But now there's a subscription program coming out. Now some people who are very suspicious of the software can purchase it for a month, $200 maybe, and then drive the FSD car around. If they like it, they'll definitely buy it. I feel like a lot of users will definitely be wowed by this, especially there's several videos and also articles stating that Tesla vehicles do really well. They got really quick reaction times. They can recognize pedestrians, streets, stop signs, stop lights, and other vehicles that are like several cars ahead of them. So it's a very, very good software that a lot of people just simply can't replicate. And we should be seeing new software being announced for April. We should be seeing massive updates, especially of the FSD beta version 9.0 going online. Now, you shouldn't really be seeing a wider release of the FSD beta. Now, some of you guys probably have bought the $10,000 software and you're wondering when the software will be coming out to the masses. Initially, everyone thought it would be a really quick release, maybe January or February of 2021. Even I myself was wrong. So we should be seeing a massive release in summer of 2021, perhaps June or July. And afterwards, we should be seeing more software updates on a constant basis. I feel like once everyone gets the FSD, it will be a lot better since Tesla will be collecting even more miles. And we should be seeing full autonomy at the end of 2021. That's something Musk has actually promised, and that's something really, really big. No other company right now is even near full autonomy. And you got Tesla right now saying that they should be reaching it by the end of 2021. Now the FSD beta, it's getting better and better. There's actually software updates, the small software updates every 2 weeks. That's what's been happening. And the software has been getting better, recognize pedestrians better reaction times. If you compare the FSD beta right now to FSD beta like October 2020, it's way more reactive and it's way safer at this current moment than ever before. I think Tesla is putting a lot of their money into the FSD because they know how profitable the autopilot and the robotaxis will be. So really curious about Tesla and definitely more news. I feel like we should be seeing even more price upgrades for the stock because of the FSD beta. It's a really incredibly big system. Can you imagine putting the FSD into the semi-trucks, those electric semi-trucks that Tesla makes? It's gonna be really great. Imagine semi-trucks driving around the highway with no people in it. That is something that you don't really see that often. And so far, we should be seeing the next generation full self-driving coming out around May and June. Subscriptions are coming out next month. If you want to try it, you're definitely in luck. If I have a Tesla right now and I want to try the FSD, I'll be more than happy to just spend $200 and just experience the future right here, right now. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe for more Tesla news. We got them coming out on a daily basis.